So, we're in the Sukkah. The Yantiv of Sukkah starting this evening. In addition to the Sukkah, we have the mitzvah of the Lulav and the Etrog. So, I want to focus on a quick thought which combines the Sukkah and the Lulav and the Etrog. The mitzvah of Sukkah is all about unity, unifying the whole of Jewish community. It says, Ru'im leisha b'sukkah achas. Ideally, we should all sit in one Sukkah. Everybody's included in the Sukkah. From head to toe, we're sitting in the same mitzvah, including the dust of the shoes entering the mitzvah. So Sukkah is the unifying factor of the Jewish community. But so too is the mitzvah of the Lulav and the Etrog. We know that we have the Etrog, the beautiful special fruit called the Etrog. We have the Lulav, from a palm tree. We have the Hadassim, the myrtle, with its special leaves. And we have the Arava, the willow, with its particular leaves. Our sages tell us, each represent another kind of a Jew. The Esrog represents the Jew that has good taste and good smell. Smell and taste are compared to knowledge and good deeds. A deed is something which is temporary. It's a momentary experience which is like a smell that we enjoy it while we are actually doing it, when we are experiencing it. Taste is something we acquire, which is the knowledge. So the Esrog represents the Jew who has both knowledge and good deeds. The lulav coming from a palm tree is from a tree that gives dates. Good taste, knowledge, but a little bit less emphasis on the action. The Hadassim has a beautiful aroma. It represents the person who is focusing on the good deed and not necessarily on the knowledge. Finally, we have the Arava, which is no taste, no smell, and it represents a simple Jew, very little knowledge and very little action. Yet the mitzvah is to combine them. We tie them together. What you saw is separate, but the mitzvah is to tie them together. And that's how we perform the mitzvah, because the ideal concept of Sukkah is total unity. It is this unity which will merit us to celebrate this Sukkah still. In the one Sukkah, as it says, Ru'im leisha b'sukkah achas. From the skin of the Leviathan, God is going to make this huge Sukkah where all of Klal Yisrael will be able to sit together. May we merit to celebrate this today. I encourage you to make sure that you go to a Sukkah. Although we have some issues this year, find a Sukkah that you can at least to make Kiddush and to eat something quickly. Sunday, make sure that you do the bracha, the blessing on the Lulav and the Etrog. Every Chabaders in town has public sukkahs where you can enter and enjoy the mitzvah. Check your calendar for the timing of the Yom Tov. For tonight, as well as tomorrow. Tomorrow they have to light it later than tonight because we have to light it after Shabbat. Make sure that you have a lit candle from which to be able to light the Yom Tov candles. And on that note, my dear friends, Chag Sameach, may this be the ultimate Sukkah's experience with Mashiach.